So here at Matin Real Estate, we hear this a lot. Josh, why did my home not sell when it was on the market? There's a couple key factors to why your home didn't sell. And I'm going to keep this very simple. It comes down to, number one, exposure. Number two, the condition of your property. And number three, did you price the property in line with the condition? Now, we see this all the time. People want to price their homes higher than what it's worth. And when we do our market analysis, we show you exactly what the market is showing today. And if we price over that, what happens? The home sits on the market. And when the home sits on the market, that means the buyers become skeptical. Why? Because they're sitting there asking themselves, why is this home not selling? Here at Matin Real Estate, we get ahead of that. We price your home accordingly to the condition, and then we make sure that we get the maximum exposure possible to get every single buyer worldwide their eyes on your home. And if we're priced right, what does this do? We get multiple offers. We sell for over what we list for. And ultimately, we get you where you want to be.